Good evening everyone, this is Nikhil here. Today we are going to discuss about there is any chances of getting COVID-19 in the next solar eclipses. The eclipse is happening on this 4th December 2021. On the 5th December 2021, there is a chance of increase in the COVID from that time to like 135 days, that's 4.5 months. There will be more chances of this disease might increase. There is a more because planets here are in Yavana Avastha, like Saturn is in Kumara Avastha, very young and energetic, and Rahu Ketu are in Yavana Avastha. Even Sun is also in Kumara Avastha. The one more thing is here the Jupiter, the major planet which is going to help us from the all kinds of problem, he is in like Bala Avastha or Mrta Avastha. There is so much support for Jupiter. The Saturn is more powerful in this house, in Makar Rashi, and in Kumbh Rashi, like Jupiter is like very like in Bala Avastha, slightly helpless. So because of this, there might be more chances, rapid chances of getting more problems. We are already seeing the about the rain and all is earthquakes and all happening is in general. But worldwide there is already spreading COVID, as you can see in other countries like Germany and all. It's very huge because of this lunar eclipse happened. After this lunar eclipse on 19th November, there are few cases increased in few countries like South Africa and Germany and all. But in India, after we are going to see after the December 4th is after solar eclipse. From that there will be 4 to 5 months, there will be panic chances. A lot of issues will be happen. A lot of problems like war zone will be also created. So who has not got vaccinated, kindly get at least 1 dose of vaccinated. Who has got 1 dose, kindly if you are eligible, kindly go for the second vaccinated. Who has got vaccinated also, just be safe, because the next COVID, like it is going to hit like a very rapid format. There will be slightly more issue compared to the wave 1 and wave 2. That third wave will be a little bit difficult for the humanity. It should be very taken care in the form. After eclipse on 4th December, on 5th December I am displaying a chart as where the Kalasarpa dosha yoga starts. Is like 19 and 20 we have seen the Kalasarpa dosha. So like all planets coming inside the Rahu Ketu axis, that is what happening after December 5th. Because of this only we are expecting that COVID is actually. Major issue is like Rahu is in Kritika Nakshatra, that is a nakshatra of Surya Nakshatra, and Ketu is in Saturn Nakshatra, Anuradha Nakshatra. So when Rahu comes on the Sun Nakshatra, that is Kritika, there is a little bit enmity between the Rahu and Sun is more. That might be, there will be a little bit issue because the Sun loses its qualities. So Sun is majorly for Arogya Karaka. Health is majorly for health. Health is on Sun's ability and quality. When Rahu transits on him is Nakshatra, there will be a loss of qualities of Sun. So Ketu is on Saturn Nakshatra, also a little bit a difficult task. So because of this only, this pandemic and the next few days it is going to increase in a lot. This is my analysis about the next COVID issues. So everyone be careful, be safe. Thank you.